There is a time. There is a time before you know how the weather will be and how the soil will respond. There is a time before you know if this birth will go well and if it will be a male or a female. There is a time before you even envision new challenges ahead. There is a time before you know if the hard work in the fields will pay off. But you are sure the land will continue to produce. The rain will continue to fall. Your cows will continue to give you their milk. Yes, there is a time. And then you do what you do best. You just farm. You just plant, as your fathers did. You just herd your cattle, as your fathers did. And then you feel the pride, the satisfaction of the job done, creating value for the next generation, because you are part of something important. You have a superpower. You grow food for your community. You are part of Massey Ferguson's new era. It feels smart, feels connected, feels straightforward, feels dependable and sustainable, feels like something made only for you, something born to farm, because you are born to farm. Welcome to Born to Farm from Massey Ferguson. Welcome to the biggest world premiere ever made with and for farmers. Live in the fields of Picardy, France. Thierry Lot.
Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending on where you are in the world. Welcome to everyone joining us online today for our Born to Farm event. The celebration of farming with those who are born to farm. Farmers, contractors, dealers, MF employees, and journalists. All those who do not stop because they are tired, but because they got the job done. A very special day for Massey Ferguson, as we are bringing new Born to Farm smart machines and digital services. Wherever you are, you can share, like, and of course, ask live questions to our MF experts. One of the reasons why I love Massey Ferguson so much, it's because we are, at the origins of the brand, a family company, born to farm, that is passionate about helping other family companies like yours to succeed. I mean farmers and dealers. This is our purpose. Working together, we are born to farm. Born to farm. Think a bit about it for a second. This is bringing something that makes a lot of sense compared to any other job. It contributes to produce sustainable and quality food for a growing population. And today is a great day. We've been looking forward for quite some time. Today we will continue to make the MF new era for farming coming alive, coming true. And everything we do at Massey Ferguson is farmers focused. And I would say we are fortunate to know a lot of farmers and customers personally. They keep telling us that they want a fully personalized experience with us, machines and services, answering their individual needs, a close relationship with their dealer, and as well, a very direct access to the brand. And as farmers are at the heart of everything we do, it is time to celebrate the next smart machines and digital services from Massey Ferguson, designed and built for farmers and with farmers. You could think that these 7 new products and services we are about to show you are the stars of this event. They are definitely not. Farming and farmers are the stars. Today, you will see from yourself that we are looking to build on that, delivering what our brand promise is, meaning delivering pragmatic innovation and technologies making farming operations easier and more profitable, simply being closer to our customers. You may wonder why we are here in the fields and not in a fancy indoor studio with spotlights, bells and whistles. Machines are like farmers. They are born to farm, so they have to be in the fields. I'm very close to farming myself and spent 32 years in the farm machinery industry with Massey Ferguson. And I am convinced that what we are going to present to you today will resonate in the entire world. Talking about Massey Ferguson's global footprint, it's with a real pleasure that I am now welcoming Francesco Muro.
Thank you, Thierry, and hello everybody also from my side. Born to Farm embodies our vision to bring a whole new era of smart machines and digital services, straightforward, dependable, globally. Massey Ferguson is a truly global brand with more than 170 years of history and with customers in 170 different countries around the world. An MF team of more than 12,000 born-to-farm people working with and for farmers. Thierry mentioned that at MF we are a true family, but one very important family member couldn't be with us today in person, and he wanted to welcome you all in this unique event. I am delighted to welcome virtually someone who has a deep connection with the Massey Ferguson brand, and he is one of the key driving forces behind our global Farmers First vision. And his name is Luis Felli. Bom dia, Luis. Bem-vindo. Tudo bem? It seems you are in the field too.
Hello, Francesco. Hello, Thierry. Many thanks for the warm introduction. I am thrilled to be here today in the Born to Farm event. I am here now in the cornfields in Brazil. We're celebrating today the 60th anniversary of Massey Ferguson in Brazil. It is a great honor to be here this day. It is a great honor to be here as part of the Massey Ferguson family. So far, I did not have a chance to go to Europe because of the travel restrictions, because of COVID, but I look forward to the time soon that I can get to know our farmers, our customers in Europe. Once again, I want to thank you to be with us today. I think it's a great opportunity to see all the new things Massey Ferguson is doing. And again, I want to thank Thierry and I want to thank Francesco for inviting me over. It's a privilege to be here on the Born to Farm event. Thierry, back to you.
Thank you, Luis. This transformation comes down to leveraging our greatest strengths, the trust and scale we built with our customers globally, to take our full line of products to a whole new level. Straightforward and dependable machines, smart features, digital solutions, of course, all backed up by talented experts and dealers you know, from the Massey Ferguson name you trust.
Let's discover now how MF arrived at this vision. As Luis just said, farmers are at the center of everything we do, but all farmers are different. All farms have different needs, and they need the products and services tailored for their own businesses. Our approach to Born to Farm smart machines and digital services leverages our broad and diverse customer base, which enables us to include since day one in our projects all customer requirements, always considering the long-term trends occurring in our industry, such as Agriculture 4.0, the European Green Deal, and sustainability. This farmer-first approach is central for our engineering department. It is exactly how we have approached our new developments. And this is equally important also for our marketing department. Now, let's deep dive together into this with another important speaker, Jérôme Aubrion. Hello, Jérôme. Glad you are with us today.
Thanks, Francesco, for the warm introductions. Indeed, our prime mission is to deeply understand our customers' needs and challenges to anticipate big change happening around us in order to create pragmatic innovations that help farmers being successful. Through Voice of Customers workshop, we get real feedback on the issue and the challenges that farmers are facing and how they make decisions about their key area of their farming practices, connected services, and conversions when they are making their machine investment. At Massey Ferguson, we are born to farm and we love create things that you ask for. We got 3 farmers out there who share our mindset and we invited them to tell us what they're expecting from the brand. First, we got Mario Melano, our dairy farm from Italy.
I am born to farm. Sono nato per l'agricoltura. Da Massey Ferguson mi aspetto delle macchine molto più mirate per la mia azienda, perché non è detto che le macchine che vanno per l'azienda di mio vicino possono andare bene per la nostra, ad esempio sistemi GPS o quant'altro. Non voglio pagare delle cose che a noi non servono, a noi servono delle macchine affidabili con bassi costi di gestione. Purtroppo i margini delle nostre aziende sono sempre minori. Poi una cosa che ci serve anche sono macchinari da fienagione per produrre del buon cibo per i nostri animali.
Thanks, Mario. Then we got Xavier Thomas, our mixed farm from France.
Je suis born to farm, né pour être agriculteur. J'ai 3 attentes pour mon tracteur. C'est un tracteur pour m'occuper de mes 100 vaches, mes 150 genisses d'élevage, qui soit le plus confortable possible pour les longues journées de travaux dans les champs, une ergonomie et forcément une large visibilité avec le chargeur, puisque pour curer nos stabus un peu étroites, charger le bol, et il nous faut une large visibilité. Deuxièmement, il nous faut un tracteur à faible coût, puisque aujourd'hui dans nos exploitations laitières, les marges sont très réduites. Notre concessionnaire répond à nos besoins. Il ne fait pas que nous vendre du matériel, et il est comme le vétérinaire. Notre vétérinaire ne nous vend pas que des médicaments, il nous vend des services. Et aujourd'hui, c'est ce qu'on recherche avec ce concessionnaire Massey Ferguson, c'est de répondre à nos besoins.
Last but not least, we got Guy Turner, our arable farm from England.
I was born to farm. Machinery costs are a significant part of my business and I need to make sure that I'm getting maximum value for money. I am happy to pay for a well-made quality product, but for that I need maximum performance, long-term reliability and low cost of ownership. As a farmer, I expect technology smart machines and services to help me lower costs and maximise business potential. I want to be able to transfer data and use it to make profitable decisions to help increase the bottom line. To me, soil condition is paramount and I want to be able to operate in a sustainable way. I need a machine that is smart, interactive and adapts to my needs seamlessly. I want a zero-distance relationship between my dealer and manufacturer.
This is really the demonstration of what Born to Farm means for Massey Ferguson. Clearly understanding customer needs and teaming up with them to design our solutions around their needs. Thierry, I think it's now time to stop talking and start the most exciting part of our event.
Are you ready? No more waiting, because Massey Ferguson is here today not only to surprise you, but to provide you with the solutions that you need. You will now see these fully rejuvenated Born to Farm smart machines and services tailored to answer global farmers' needs. And what a better place to present you these machines where they have been designed in our Massey Ferguson Global Center of Excellence for Engineering and Manufacturing, at a stone's throw from the Beauvais factory.
Born to Farm, new products tailored for you, the specialist. Hello, Nicolas. I see that you are with one of the newcomers in the Massey Ferguson range.
Hello, Jerome. And we are here today with our MF5S series, introduced in December 2020. The best-in-class tractor for dairy and mixed farm, from 105 to 145 horsepower.
I heard a lot about this slogan. But maybe for customers, it is a slogan like any other, and anybody can name his tractor the unbeatable.
Better to go with facts than with words, showing why this tractor is simply the best all-rounder choice for ensuring efficiency in any farming operation.
Wait, Nicolas. What if you ask customers to give us his impressions? Let's connect with Xavier in Normandy, France. Bonjour Xavier. How are things in Saint-Père-sur-Mer?
Bonjour, très bien, merci.
Bonjour à tous.
Je suis avec Quentin dans la Normandie à boire un petit café.
Alors ça tombe bien qu'on se retrouve en Normandie puisque c'est également ma région natale, donc je dirais qu'on joue l'un comme l'autre à domicile, donc c'est plutôt appréciable. Mais je dirais que plutôt que de parler de la région, parlons directement du 5S, donc un nouveau tracteur dans la gamme, lancé en décembre dernier. Alors déjà, quelle histoire tu as avec ce tracteur et ton exploitation?
Eh bien, le concessionnaire est venu nous présenter le 5S et on a décidé de changer le 5712 par rapport à son capot plongeant toujours et sa visibilité en cabine.
Tu parlais du 5712, si je ne dis pas de bêtises, vous êtes des clients historiques MF. Quel est votre parc de machines?
Aujourd'hui, on a 3 Massey. On a le 4225 qui est des années 2000. On a le 5712, on avait le 5712 qui a été remplacé par le 5S. Et on a le 6713 noir.
Ok. Et au niveau de ton exploitation, on est sur quel type de ferme?
On est sur une exploitation laitière. On a 1 100 000 litres de lait sur 94 hectares.
Ok. Bon, parfait. Et donc, tu parlais justement de l'historique d'MF chez toi. Je crois que ton père en a déjà acheté des tracteurs auparavant.
C'est
ça. Pas de bêtises, ouais.
C'est ça. Il a eu des petits gris, il a eu des 140, il a eu des petits 2 roues encore. Enfin, oui, il en a eu pas mal.
Parfait. Et justement, tu parles d'un héritage lié à ton père et lié à la marque MF. Justement, le 5S, lui aussi, bénéficie d'un héritage fort et il s'inspire déjà des séries MF 3000 qui avaient, justement, comme tu le disais tout à l'heure, déjà le capot plongeant. Ils ont été lancés, ces tracteurs, en 1993, donc on a plus de 25 ans d'expérience par rapport à ça. Mais à la fois un tracteur récent, puisqu'il a des innovations qui sont liées au MF UTES, comme l'accoudoir, on en reparlera tout à l'heure certainement. Et je dirais, quel est le principal avantage que tu as trouvé à ce tracteur?
Eh bien, son capot plongeant, toujours, parce que ça donne une large visibilité au curage de fumier, pour remplir le bol, plein de petites choses. Un tracteur très confortable, pour des journées dans les champs.
Bon, bah parfait. Bah justement, au niveau de la visibilité, tu en as parlé, du capot plongeant. Et donc, c'est vrai qu'on a une visibilité à l'avant à 4 mètres, donc très pratique pour le chargeur, justement. Et en parlant de 4 mètres, on a aussi une maniabilité, un rayon de braquage qui va être très court sur ce tracteur, qui est lui aussi de 4 mètres. Donc, c'est vrai que lorsqu'on parle de maniabilité, de visibilité, ça fait vraiment de ce tracteur une référence dans les fermes de polyculture élevage.
Oui, c'est sûr. Comme tu le dis, c'est un tracteur facile à prendre en main, très agréable, très confortable. Et quoi de mieux?
Alors, on a parlé un petit peu de maniabilité. Alors, je ne sais pas si tu l'as sur ton tracteur, mais on a une option chez MF qui est le speed steer, donc qui permet de limiter le nombre de tours de volant pour braquer vraiment très rapidement. Donc, ça peut être quelque chose d'appréciable. Et si on parle un petit peu d'hydraulique, on va retrouver par exemple 3 configurations sur le tracteur, 58, 100 litres ou 110 litres minute en LS. Et donc justement, là, si on reprend les points, tout ce qui va être débit, maniabilité, visibilité, ça fait vraiment de ce tracteur le tracteur chargeur par excellence.
C'est le tracteur par excellence, qui est agréable et très polyvalent sur la route, en transport, comme au champ, comme avec son chargeur.
Alors c'est vrai que la polyvalence, je pense que son long empattement, 2,55 m, donc c'est vrai que c'est l'ADN de Massey Ferguson d'avoir des empattements longs qui vont passer la puissance, être stable au chargeur, mais également, comme tu le disais, au champ. Également, peut-être que la polyvalence, ça va passer aussi par le choix des transmissions. On va retrouver la Dyna 4, la Dyna 6, ou alors les 4 finitions essentielles panoramique, efficient et exclusive, avec le plus haut niveau de spécification sur cette dernière. Alors toi, justement, qu'est-ce que tu as choisi en termes de finition, de transmission?
Nous, la transmission, on a pris la Dyna 6 parce que le tracteur à 40 km/h et il y a 1500 tours, il se régule très bien et une faible consommation de fuel. Et puis pour la finition, on a pris l'efficiente.
Ok. Pour quelle raison?
Pour avoir les monoleviers sur la coudoir facile de proximité.
Justement, tu parles des joysticks et c'est vrai qu'on va retrouver donc en efficient de base le multipad, donc joystick multifonction qui va permettre de faire toutes les fonctionnalités du tracteur quelque part. Et éventuellement un deuxième joystick, donc là ton tracteur est équipé du chargeur, donc tu as ce joystick qui va permettre de faire une multitude de tâches. Et justement, qu'est-ce que tu en penses de ce nouveau joystick? Ce
joystick a énormément changé par rapport au 57. Il est plus facile à prendre en main avec l'ouverture et la fermeture de la BMS comme un petit bouton d'un télescopique. Il est facile.
Ça tombe bien que tu en parles parce que justement, c'est vrai qu'il y a eu un gros travail de fait au niveau de la coudoir d'une manière générale, mais aussi en particulier sur ce joystick, avec des fonctionnalités qui sont vraiment dédiées par un code couleur. Le bleu pour l'hydraulique, le orange pour la transmission, le noir pour les fonctions tracteur, avec le bouton F3 par exemple pour décrocher son téléphone ou toute autre fonctionnalité. Et c'est vrai que ce joystick, lorsqu'on l'a en main, on va être capable de faire par exemple le relevage avant si on en est équipé, la transmission, l'inverseur, mais également aussi forcément le chargeur.
C'est pour ça qu'on tenait à remercier l'usine Beauvais et les techniciens pour toutes les améliorations qui ont été faites et qui montrent qu'on est écouté aujourd'hui.
Bon, c'est parfait. Je crois que le message est passé.
Merci Xavier for this positive feedback. Nicolas, Xavier mentioned some key words as efficiency, comfort, and productivity. This new series has absolute benefits for customers to manage their operations and business more effectively. Could you please give me more info about them?
As Xavier et Quentin said, this tractor not only has a superb design inspired by Massey Ferguson 8S with aggressive curves and brilliant colors, but below its narrowest steep-nose bonnet, there is a huge engineering job to make it best in class for our customers. Our homemade 4-cylinder, 4.4-liter, Stage 5 compliant engine that delivers more power and torque with lower fuel and AdBlue consumption uses the all-in-one SCR depollution system, a unique feature by Massey Ferguson that was upgraded to ensure this unrivaled visibility, with no components disturbing the view. In addition, the large glazed surface of 5.8 square meters and the optional visual roof enhances its 360-degree all-around visibility.
I certainly understand the visibility is not only the first trend of this series.
The unique Massey Ferguson curved chassis and seamlessly integrated front linkage smart designs also provide an excellent maneuverability to this series, and once again, the best tight turning cycle, like in a farmyard, in small fields for handle and turn, with only 4-meter radius steering. And, as Xavier reminded us, the adjustable speed steer further improves operation in the fields, reducing the number of wheel turns from 4 to 1. Really useful in handle and turning and for short maneuvers in the yard.
At the beginning, you also spoke about this series as a best-in-class all-rounder.
Our customers benefit from a wide choice of hydraulic systems, delivering flow rates from 58 to 110 liters per minute. The 100 liters per minute dual pump increases the flow and efficiency when high hydraulic flow is required, while reducing fuel consumption when high hydraulic flow is not needed. Very convenient in loader applications. And there is plenty of hydraulic power for implements such as fertilizer spreader, feeder wagon, and others. The new front linkage offers lift capacities of up to 3 tons, plus 17% versus previous range, with dedicated control valve and 2 spool valves, while the stronger rear linkage lifts up to 6 tons, plus 14% versus previous range. Thanks to that, and the increased gross vehicle weight of 9.5 tons, plus 12% versus previous range, the MF5S will allow you to work faster and to also carry heavier loads safely.
Nicolas, can you please give us more information about the choice of 2 transmissions and 4 specification packages, giving customers the possibility to make the tractor their own, whatever they need?
The MF5S comes with the choice of 2 proven clutchless transmissions. Dyna 416x16 with speed matching or Dyna 6 24x24 with auto drive for automatic shifting that reaches 40 km per hour at a low 1,530 RPM, helping to significantly cut fuel consumption and increase driving comfort. These 2 transmissions come with a very comfortable power shuttle lever, allowing change of direction, gears ratio, and comfort level. The brake to neutral feature puts the transmission into neutral when the brake pedal are pressed down.
And what about the specifications?
Yes, let's take a look. Our customers will be able to choose the level of specification between essential, panoramic, efficient, and exclusive. All of them are equipped with the comfortable, quiet cab, only 69 decibel, with suspension to further improve comfort. The new armrest, ergonomically integrated to the seat, allow easy access to main function of the tractor. Also, thanks to the multipad, including a micro joystick for precise hydraulic control. Finally, the new intuitive Datatronic 5 console, standard with exclusive version, delivers information you need to manage tractor functions, as well as full MF smart farming solutions, MF guide, section and variable rate control, isobus, task dock, and camera display. An optional additional screen, the FieldStart 5, can be added for a convenient display on 2 screens, Datatronic 5 to manage tractor functions and FieldStart 5 for smart farming solutions.
I think our customers would like to have more information about our new MF e-loader feature.
Now, the MF5S is also available with the old new Massey Ferguson e-loader features to optimize the use of the loader and to measure loading tasks in an easy way, thanks to the loader scale function, which weighs the loads of different materials and collects the data at the same time. This system increases efficiency and safety, being able to set the limits and angles for loader movements, stopping it once they are reached. For more comfort, the app can be operated easily from the Datatronic 5 touchscreen, avoiding any separate controls or displays. Once the tasks are completed, the driver can also collect and export the data in an Excel file, so as to have a clear sum up of his activities. Moreover, the functions for different front loader tasks can be saved as profiles in the Datatronic 5 interface, allowing the driver to select them quickly to perform the same task again.
Very good. And farmers like Xavier are looking for ease of use and comfort for daily work, such as taking care of animals and crops. Then, in a lot of applications, the tractors should be equipped with a front loader or front linkage. Could you please remind us what we offer them with the MF5S?
The MF5S has been designed around the driver and MF front loader that are now factory fitted. The combination of unrivaled front visibility and steep nose bonnet, high hydraulic flow, brake to neutral, power control lever, multifunction joystick, loader features such as hydraulic quick couplers or engine automation make the MF5S the ultimate loader tractor.
And when we speak about ultimate performance, we need to speak about tires, because this choice can influence the efficiency of your machine. But not only.
Yes, Jerome? To have the maximum power to the ground with minimum soil compaction, you need the right footprint. Massey Ferguson developed some years ago with Trelleborg the progressive traction technology. It was even a part of Journey Antarctica 2 expedition. Actually fitted with the Trelleborg TM700 progressive traction tires, those tires makes the MF5S even more versatile, while its double-edged lock operating on the soil at different times, boost grip and traction. In addition, the double-edged lock also enhances the interlock terraces integrated into the tread design of the Trelleborg TM tires. So it maximizes the self-cleaning capability of the tire.
Let's now talk about the MF5S availability in the different regions of the world. In Europe and Middle East, MF5S is available today with Stage 5 engines, all models, all transmissions, and all specification levels except Russia and Ukraine. In Australia and New Zealand, MF5S will be available at the start of 2022, as well as in North America. In the Far East, it will be available in the second quarter of 2022, while in China, it will be available with the implementation of the China 4 emission standards in the course of 2022. It is currently unavailable in the other regions. And now, let's see the MF5S in action.
Alors Xavier, avant de te laisser retourner au travail, quelles sont tes perspectives d'évolution sur ta ferme?
Développer l'activité.
Ok, par exemple, si demain tu as besoin de plus de puissance, d'un empattement un petit peu plus long, qui va savoir passer la puissance, mais tout en ayant un rayon de braquage raisonnable pour des applications chargeurs par exemple, eh bien justement, on va voir ensemble ce que l'on pourra te proposer demain.
Quentin, Xavier, what about a 4-cylinder compact tractor going up to 200 horsepower with the turning radius of only 4.75 meters, the tightest of its category? Check this out!
Here we go. It seems that our range of smart tractors is now fully rejuvenated and is being upgraded with this new MF6 series.
Exactly. Xavier was looking for more traction, more power, and longer wheelbase than the MF5S, while keeping excellent maneuverability in small fields, as well as very good loader capacities. Then, here we are with the new MF6S.
Good, Guillaume, but let's further explain how this new series totally responds to his needs.
We have developed the MF6S from 135 to 200 horsepower with 5 models, fitting perfectly between the MF5S and our 6-cylinder tractors offering with the new MF7S. We invite you to have a look at right after this presentation. It blends the benefit of a 4-cylinder being an agile, smart and lightweight all-rounder with the power and the traction of a 6-cylinder. The result? The MF6S is the most powerful 4-cylinder in the industry, offering the best power-to-weight ratio in the 200 horsepower sector.
Okay, Guillaume, then could you please tell us more about its excellent maneuverability?
Its unrivaled maneuverability takes advantage of the unique MF curved chassis. With the fully integrated front linkage and front loader subframe. Its compact design and dimensions allow our customer to go with agility on any small pasture, field or barn, and to save time turning on headlands and while loading with the tightest 4.75 meters turning radius on any 200 horsepower tractors.
Good start, but our customers expect more, and me too. What about visibility?
Everything has been done to offer the best visibility. Just one example, the award-winning MF all-in-one after-treatment system has been designed and upgraded to meet the latest Stage 5 emission level. This system gathers DOC, SCR, and soot catalyst in one single unit located under the cab, with no impact on the visibility. It results with a slim exhaust pipe, offering a superb forward visibility that our customers will enjoy whatever the application, in fields or barns. Additionally, our customer can make the choice of the optional Visio roof to get the best visibility in loader operations, with loaders now available directly from the factory.
Very good. But Xavier was looking for more power versus an MF5S for a job requiring more traction.
Don't worry, power is available up to 200 horsepower delivered on the top of the range MF6S 180. The new MF6S also ensures the best traction and balance in the 4-cylinder sector, thanks to the long 2.67 meter wheelbase and a specific 42-inch tire option, bringing optimum traction while minimizing fuel consumption and soil compaction, ensuring sustainable operations. This range will allow you to handle heavy implements with a maximum lift capacity of up to 9,600 kg, plus an outstanding towing capacity and gross vehicle weight up to 12,500 kg, while being light enough to protect your soul, weighing 400 kg less than a comparable 6-cylinder. In addition, a wide choice of hydraulic system will allow you to decide what's the best for you, from 100 liters per minute open center combined flow to high flow of 190 liters per minute with load sensing.
And what about the choice of efficient transmissions available in this series?
MF6S operators will be able to choose the transmission that best meets their needs between the stepless Dynavity Smooth CVT transmission and the efficient semi-power shift Dyna6 Super Eco transmission. With the Super Eco mode, both transmissions allow driving at 40 km per hour at a low engine rev for more productivity from less fuel, with up to 17% lower engine speed.
Okay, Guillaume, but our customers have long working days. Then, they need a roomy and comfortable environment to reduce fatigue. This tractor is efficient and compact, but is it still comfortable inside?
Before jumping inside the cab, just have a look at two important elements. The front axle suspension, with high suspension stroke, and also the active mechanical cab suspension. These two elements offer a high level of comfort throughout the day.
Now, let's move into the cab.
First, you can notice the new steering wheel design. Sabre signature on armrest with indirect lights and materials for high perceived quality. Then, in this spacious and quiet cab, only 70 dB, we offer the ergonomics and ease of use with an operation mode based on the MF test armrest. In this, you can see the new multipad with all functions accessible at your fingertips, such as a roller to quickly manage the transmission setting.
And Guillaume, what is that micro joystick on the multipad?
This allows the operator to precisely manage the remote hydraulic. The user can assign whatever remote valve on any hydraulic control. Finally, control assignment is also available for other functions, which can be done easily on the Datatronic 5 terminal, as easy to use and navigate as on a smartphone.
You say Datatronic 5. What about the new feature that they can operate easily with it, the MF e-loader?
Now the MF Success is also available with the latest MF e-loader to optimize the use of loader and to measure loading tasks in any easy way. Thanks to the loader scale function, which weighs the loads of different materials, collecting the data at the same time. Besides, this system will increase efficiency and safety, being able to set the limits and angles for loader movement, stopping it once they are reached.
Could you please give more information about the other smart farming technology available on the MF Success?
Sure, the Datatronic 5 will allow MF Success operators to manage all precision farming solutions. On top of the tractor functions, it controls MF guide, MF section control, MF rate control, and isobus. By the way, our multipad is isobus compatible, meaning at the same time it can control tractor functions and isobus implement functions, as well as exchange courtesy of TaskDoc.
So, what about operators looking at monitoring and controlling more information at the same time?
For them, we can provide the convenience of another touchscreen display, the FieldStar 5, to split precision farming information on the preferred screen.
Once again, our customers can make the tractor their own, whatever the operations, always enjoying versatility, simplicity, and logic.
Absolutely, and they can clearly make their choice between 4 specification levels: essential, panoramic, efficient, or exclusive.
To finish, I think we can add the MF Success stands for low cost of ownership.
Yes. On top of the savings the use of precision farming solutions can bring, the MF Success offers easy access to daily maintenance. And as we said, the economic gearbox which reduces fuel consumption.
In short, with the new MF Success series, once again, our engineers listen to farmers and their changing challenges to develop a new straightforward, dependable, smart machine to ensure them to get the job done efficiently with ease.
With the new MF Success, we continue the new Massey Ferguson era to offer you enhanced user experience.
Let's now talk about the MF Success availability in the different regions of the world. In Europe and the Middle East, MF Success is available today with Stage 5 engines, all models, all transmission, and all specification levels except Russia and Ukraine. In Australia and New Zealand, MF Success will be available at the start of 2022. In North America, it will be available in the third quarter of 2022. In the Far East, it will be available in the second quarter of 2022. In South America, we aim for introductions in 2023. It is currently unavailable in Africa and in China. And now, let's see the MF Success in action.
Oui, je pense que vous avez trouvé le tracteur idéal.
Bon, bah c'est parfait. Et justement, avant de te laisser repartir à ton travail définitivement cette fois-ci, eh ben, on pourrait peut-être te parler aussi des MF TH parce que bon, bah, toi, tu es plutôt tracteur chargeur. On peut le voir avec le 5S, avec ton 6700S aussi. Mais pour autant, dans la gamme, on a aussi le TH Stage 5, donc un tout nouveau télescopique dans la gamme qui pourrait peut-être te convenir.
Pourquoi pas?
Et bien justement, voyons ça en images.
Xavier, Quentin, you have really my mind. After 25 years providing agricultural telehandlers, there have never been such exciting times for the MF TH series. With a giant leap in comfort and ergonomics, the MF TH is completely transformed. This is not an upgrade, this is a breakthrough.
Wow, I'm glad to see the Massey Ferguson family have got a new addition with this completely new agricultural telehandlers, the MF TH series.
Indeed. Since the origin of the brand, MF has always offered a full range of products and services to deliver tailored solutions to our customers.
And our customers can rely on 25 years of experience of lift efficiency, productivity, ergonomics, and comfort to all new level.
The 6 models of the MF TH series are more than ever designed to handle every job with ease.
You say design. Indeed, this great design looks not only new, but stunning.
You're absolutely right. The new bonnets now come with a more dynamic shape, and the whole range now gets a new rounded shape and modded caps, with a new grey color outside and a new color inside. It is another step towards the neo-retro design.
You are right. The color inside is like the MF TH. It is convenient in a dusty environment, especially for telehandlers when farmers getting in and out of their machines all day.
And talking about farmers getting in and out of their machine multiple times in a day, I'm sure they will like the comfortable access with an improved door opening.
I also know the MFTH is well known for its visibility.
Farmers will immediately appreciate the best lateral visibility, which we've improved on this new series.
And how did we even improve it?
The new Stage 5 regulation was an opportunity to work on after-treatment components integration and provide components 25% smaller than standard on the market. That's why the machine now comes with a lower and steeper bonnet that also benefits on Tier 3 machines sold in less regulated markets. We also kept our unique asymmetric cab. As you can see, the rear right corner is still pillarless, so there is nothing blocking visibility. These unique features allow improvement to lateral visibility by 15%. The first visible point from the cab on the ground is only at 3.50 meters from the machine's wheel.
Well, that's useful when maneuvering inside buildings with tight spaces.
Yes, and last but not least, the new MF TH now comes with an optional rear camera with manual or automatic activation. Safety first.
Do all these features come with the whole range?
Yes, and the visibility on the two compact models is even better, as it features new folding protection grills, improving visibility by 52%, and an increased clean surface by wipers of 30%.
I see you may have some others with this new cab.
We can start with its dimensions, still providing a width of 90 centimeters from pillar to pillar, and the highest selling height with an improved 1.54 meters on standard cab, while maintaining a reasonable machine height of 2.45 meters.
It will be very convenient for tall farmers. And still, about the machine height, do the compact models still come with low machine height for low buildings?
Yes, compact machines still feature a low height of 2.10 meters with 20-inch tires.
Great! I see that many controls around you are new.
They are all new, but not for our MF range. As a power control, a unique Massey-Ferguson feature, now also joined the new TH series. It allows shuttling operation, speed shifting, and going to neutral, which means a hydrostatic transmission stops the machine without braking.
But that is not all I see.
You will benefit from a completely new joystick, which can be fitted on the armrest, with a new high-specification seat, featuring pneumatic suspensions and heating. This new joystick features a new, very ergonomic shape, perfectly suited to the driver's hand. The second shuttle control takes place on the rear of the joystick, managed only by a finger.
Well, there are many features improving comfort and ergonomics. I can see several other new controls and this new display.
Yes, the switches have been relocated on the right side, with backlighting and a new color code. Black for lights and mirror, orange for powertrain, and blue for hydraulics. Quickly accessible and easy to recognize. The display is completely new and easy to navigate. It is available in 5 or 7 inch. You can access all the machine settings, including radio and telephone.
Now, talking about performance, did you keep the high 190 liters per minute hydraulic flow on standard machines?
Operators can now set a maximum and minimum boom height limit. It allows the operator to push the joystick full notch while avoiding any damage on the machine and the facilities. With a 7-inch display, they also benefit from an auto-grab function to control their grapple or bale handler with just one overpress on the switch.
I will say these new automatic controls allow faster, safer, and more comfortable operations.
Yes, and to ensure high productivity with hydraulics, the MF TH comes with hands throttle to set a constant engine RPM and so a constant hydraulic flow, while managing the machine speed independently by pedal throttle. We keep the hydrostatic transmission to get this high independence between engine RPM and machine speed. So the farmer can get maximum power from the engine while driving, for example, at 3 or 4 kph without using the brake, which means less brake wear than with other kinds of transmission.
Great! Less use of brake is also a good point to reduce cost of ownership. And what about the improvements coming with the new Stage 5 compliant from 100 to 135 horsepower engines?
It features completely new torque and power curves, which are more constant and higher at lower RPM for lower fuel consumption. It also features hydraulic lash adjustments, avoiding manual valve clearance maintenance to be carried out. And we estimate this usually requires around 5 service hours every 1,000 hours. At the end, after 4,000 hours of machine operation, you benefit from a saving of more than 20 service hours, representing around 1,200 euros. Moreover, with this engine, all the components are easily accessible for daily maintenance, maximizing uptime.
Well, at the end, there are many new amazing benefits with this new series to reach new heights of comfort and productivity. Let's now talk about the availability of the MF TH in the different regions of the world. In Europe and the Middle East, MF TH is already available today. For low-regulated emissions markets, like Russia and Ukraine, where Tier 3 engines are still needed, the range is also available now. The same applies for Australia and New Zealand in Tier 3. It is currently unavailable in other regions. And now, let's see this new MF TH series in action. And now, let's go back in the fields to introduce a new range of digital services maximizing uptime, return on investment, as well as contributing to more sustainable practices.
What amazing products we are bringing to farmers. Thanks to all our employees who worked really hard during the COVID times to make it happen. We are now back in the fields and here they are, all around us. Brand new Massey Ferguson, straightforward and dependable, full line of sustainable smart machines is now reality. And in fact, from 2019 till the end of this year, 90% of our entire full line of product will be renewed. A fully rejuvenated tractor range from 45 to 405 horsepower, high specifications with the S series, and also with the medium specification called M series, providing you with exactly what you need. And now, extending our range of implements, introducing the new, comfortable, and even more productive, true agricultural telehandler. Stage 5 combines, straw workers and rotary. And by the way, also with our AGCO's Grain and Protein division, we can provide grain operators with the last step of your entire crop cycle that are grain storage solutions. Equally, for protein production, poultry or pigs, AGCO's Grain and Protein is building integrated solutions to help animal welfare through controlled nutrition, climate and space. For livestock or dairy mixed farms, our full green line of mowers, rakes, tedders, balers and wrapper ranges is providing high quality hay and forage nutrition for your animals. Nowadays, consumers don't only look at the price tag, but as you know, they want to have more transparency on where their food comes from and how it has been produced. Asking farmers to move to new sustainable practices, improving animal welfare, water resources management, using less pesticides and fertilizers is key. Farmers need to know that they are part of the solution in terms of sustainable practices. The point is also that you are more advanced than what people think, and they need to know. The overall concept of sustainability is broadly discussed these days. Francesco, can you tell us more about our approach to sustainable farming, and especially what it means for farmers, for dealers, but also for us?
Indeed, Thierry. The farmers' expectations raised earlier on are very clear. And our Born to Farm MF New Era is not only about product, but it's about the entire ecosystem around the machines. Services to help farmers to grow their business sustainably, maximize uptime, and lower the total cost of ownership. Remember Guy, the big, and Xavier, the specialist, were absolutely interested in connectivity and precision farming. Why that? Because of lower inputs, increased yields, and maximize machine fleet uptime, with the results of lowering their environmental impacts, as well to comply for full traceability of all farming practices.
First, with Massey Ferguson Connect, our smart telemetry solution, we support farmers and fleet owners providing straightforward dependability. These predictive systems make farming much easier to maximize uptime. Massey Ferguson Connect transfers machine data seamlessly through a secure cloud to the farm desktop or mobile phone app in real time, providing the machine location, the fuel consumptions, the machine conditions and how it performs, allowing to make the most appropriate decisions to optimize the machine use and performance. Farmers can also give their consent to transfer data to a Beauvais monitoring center, where our technical service team, as well as their local dealer, can identify a possible service or repair need to prevent any major issue to happen. This is what predictive maintenance is about, and it is clearly going to make a difference, as your fleet will be more efficient, as service and part availability will be managed remotely, as well as providing you with a courtesy units to keep you doing your job with our MF Forest Running program, available in 8 markets in Europe, with 1,000 tractors available, just because you are a Massey Ferguson customer. Our Massey Ferguson monitoring center is primarily dedicated to better support our customers, thanks to the telemetry data collected, but also to support our innovation process based on the use of their Massey Ferguson machine. Massey Ferguson Connect is available as based on all Massey Ferguson 6-cylinder tractors, as well as on the Massey Ferguson idle combine with 5 years subscription included, and optional on all other compatible tractors and combines. Have you ever had a machine that smart?
It's incredibly smart, and even more than you think when it comes to precision farming solutions, such as MF guide, section, and variable rate control. Easy to set, track, or pivot way lines and edit prescription maps. These are all part of the new Datatronic 5 and Fieldstar 5 terminals, thanks to a brand new, easy-to-use interface. This will naturally reduce overlaps by 3 to 10%, with the results for farmers of less fuel consumptions, less working time and inputs, and reducing fatigue, while focusing on what really matters during the field operations.
As things as features are not quite standard, And farmers expect more and will need to know what this will bring to their business bottom line. So let's bring some numbers with a documented example done here in Nacco's Futures Farm in Switzerland. You can see through the screen of farm information, and here now the saving in terms of overlap reductions, fuel, time, and input leading in this farm on an annual saving of 5,000 euros. So with a fully specified guidance and section control package with RTK corrections, with a list price of 16,500 euros, you will get a payback in 3.5 years. So now, to be sharp on technologies, what about data exchange, allowing farmers to document their tasks and transfer them to their agronomist, customer, or any of their trusted partners?
With TaskDoc Pro, all working data are transmitted wirelessly back and forth from the machine to the farm FMIS system and to trusted farmer partners via the AgriRouter Secure Cloud. This allows you to manage multi-brand fleets while providing access to your preferred partners, such as an agronomist. In this way, they can have timely data access, enable fact-based decision-making to improve efficiency and yields at your farm. All this will enable farmers to work on application maps, optimization of production processes, increase yields, and build strong documentation to be able to comply to local subsidies, including Agriculture 4.0, for example. For Massey Ferguson, the best technologies are the ones that are easy to use and provide strong value for farmers without overcomplicating the usage of our products. In other words, a pragmatic behind-the-scene technology.
Farmers and contractors will also love that a significant part of those smart farming and connected services are available as part of cost-effective packages, increasing accuracy and lowering cost of operations. I'm proud to announce the Massey Ferguson Precision Farming Package, including MF Guide, Wellline Assistance, 24 section and variable rate control, as well as the Massey Ferguson Precision and Digital Farming Package, adding up increased number of sections up to 36, the ability to connect to your preferred FMIS with TaskDoc Pro and AgriRouter service included. Oops, it looks like our monitoring centers tells me we are running out of time.
For sure, Jérôme, they will love it. These pragmatic innovations, precision farming, MF monitoring center, and secure data exchange are important steps on the journey we are making to deliver smart machines and connected services, enhancing farm operations productivity, efficiency, but also sustainable growth. Smart machines, through farmer-centered pragmatic innovation, not all of you need these connected technologies. This is why we also provide simple yet straightforward, dependable products. With you, we are now in a new era of farming, and we continue to do it right, and if we stick together, meaning getting closer than ever, interlocking as the three triangles of our brand iconic logo, meaning farmers, dealers, and the brand, we will achieve great things, because we are all born to farm. We really have good reasons to be optimistic. Farming has never been so mission critical to produce food for the growing population. What we've shared with you today is what makes Massey Ferguson so unique in the farm machinery industry. Since close to 170 years operating with a purpose to serve millions of farming businesses globally, through them we are striving to make the world a better place, ensuring food supply security. It is all about making smart machines accessible to more farmers across the globe. And crucially now, our new machines and digital services will deliver straightforward and dependable farming experience, which can have a huge impact on farming's cost operations. All supported by a range of farmers' first designed features, connected to a secured digital ecosystem that provides a range of services to deliver actionable and predictive data that enables any farming business to make better decisions with 100% machine uptime, low cost of operation, and also sustainable profitability. So now, ladies and gentlemen, we've come to an end of this launch. Thank you so much for attending and interacting with us. If you liked what you've experienced here, Massey Ferguson's dealerships are open for you. In this preview leaves you with wanting more. We have detailed product information of all the latest ranges available on our digital channels. Right after this stream, you will automatically be redirected to our Born to Farm on-demand platform. You will then have access to extra content on the products you've seen and many others. You will also be able to immerse yourself in our full product range using virtual reality as if you were behind the steering wheel. Last but not least, from October, you will be able to operate this whole new range of products in the Farming Simulator 2022 edition. Also, on-demand platform means as well that you will be able to book your own personalized demo with your local Massey Ferguson dealer right at your farm, in your fields. How great is this? Please, all, stay healthy, stay safe, and we very much look forward to seeing you all, hopefully, very, very soon. Goodbye. And now, my friends, let's bring these Born to Farm beauties for a spin in the fields and get some job done.